I'm Kimmy from Kimmys Kitchen. I'm based in the UK and I own a CakeSafe mini tool, and it is without a doubt one of the best bits of cake kit I have ever purchased. When it comes to wedding cake deliveries in particular, it has completely changed the game. Here in the UK, most of our wedding venues are down very long, windy, gravelly, potholed, uneven roads, and it used to be a terrifying experience. With the CakeSafe, I know that my cake is secure, it's sturdy, it's not going to topple, it's not going to slip, and my hard work isn't going to be in vain. It also adds a touch of professionalism. When you turn up to a venue and your wedding cake is in that CakeSafe, people are quite impressed and they ask questions and they're, gosh, you know, that looks really good. So that's a real added bonus, but definitely worth the purchase. It's a complete game changer, it's brilliant.
Hi, I'm Courtney Armstrong with Belly's Bake Shop in Dallas, Texas, and I am self-appointed CakeSafe's biggest fan. I started working with CakeSafe products in December 2018, and my first purchase was a CakeSafe transportation box. That product alone has saved me countless hours of time and stress and anxiety when delivering multi-tier cakes. It's a total game changer. My second purchase was shortly after, and I purchased a set of acrylic discs in every size that they offer. The acrylic discs have transformed the way I make cakes. I don't make cakes without them anymore, nor would I want to. If there is one tool I will not be without, it's my acrylic discs. They have increased my efficiency. They have given me a highly sought after style that my customers love, and I can't imagine ever going back to trying to get sharp edges freehand. I have a million other CakeSafe products that I absolutely adore as well. The quad scraper, the OG scraper, the tiny tool, and more than the products itself, CakeSafe has an absolutely incredible team of hardworking, kind, and supportive people.
Hi, I'm Melissa Mose, and I own Melissa's Simply Sweet, and I have been a CakeSafe owner and lover since 2017. I purchased my first one, which was the small tall, and I also purchased the 8-inch scraper, 6-inch, and 12-inch scraper. Love them. And then last year, with so many weddings that needed to be delivered in the same day, but couldn't have time to go home and it was 90 degrees, I ended up buying 2 more CakeSafes. So now I have the Itsy Bitsy and the Mini. And I will say, I wouldn't deliver a cake without them. They are my favorite thing, and I will stand behind them forever. Delivering cakes in the middle of Virginia, in the middle of summer, I let them sit in the car for 3 hours while I had to deliver all my weddings, and they were still chilled. So I love them, and I can't live without them. Thank you, CakeSafe.
Hi, Ani here with A&M Cakery in Marrero, Louisiana, and this is my CakeSafe collection. I have the cake box. I also have the acrylic disc in both round and square, the tiny tool, the quad icing scraper, and this beauty that I'll be using for our wedding really soon, the acrylic cake riser. Thanks to CakeSafe, I can now offer my customers delivery once again completely stress-free. I can go anywhere. And with the acrylic disc, I can now frost my cakes and have them perfectly level and half the time before, and with way better results. CakeSafe team members are also amazing. They answer all my questions really fast, and they are really there to help you out. I've never had any other company before help me as much as what they have. I really wish I would have found out about this way sooner. It is a total game changer, and the best products I own for my business right now.